So this is gonna be a quick video because I have seen in X all these posts saying that September is the worst month for the stock market, and I wanted to know if that's real, and if it is real, how bad it is. And I couldn't find any resource, at least free resource online, to analyze this data. So in that case, I created this Python code that basically get the last 30 years in monthly data and then aggregate in some period, in this case 5 years for the S&P 500, and provide two analysis. The first one is what is the average monthly return for the last 5 years. And in this case, yeah, September is obvious, really bad return in average in the last 5 years. And then there is another one that is gonna tell me how many times in percentage, how many times the month closed positive. And in this case, September in the last 5 years has never closed positive, always red. So in this case, if you like to add weight to the right side of the chart, yeah, it's most likely September is gonna be red and not a pretty one. Now, this is only for 5 years. What happens if I go 25 years? In 25 years, the average September is still bad on the average. But if you go to the percentage of time that it closed green, it's more likely for September to close no, actually no, 50%. It's below 50%. It's still pretty likely that it's gonna close red. So in this case, yeah, I would say that at least for the S&P 500, September it's gonna we need to be careful on September. And today was a really bad start with all these semiconductors bleeding and the whole NASDAQ, S&P 500, everyone going down. So let me do the same analysis for the Qs in NASDAQ. If I go 25 years, still September, even for the NASDAQ, is the worst. And then you have 40 something times only has been green. So yeah, indeed, it's more likely to be red based on this. And when it's red, is the negative percentage is the worst. So what that means for our trading, my trading, I'm still long in some sectors. We saw this Nvidia, Apple, everybody going down, but my plays, the one that I sent yesterday for the energy sector or the real estate sector, they went up. So in this case, it looks to be only for semiconductors. It's the first day. There's still some chance for recovery. But my point here is that there is always way to, if you look, there are always opportunity to go long, but also you can short the market. In this case, there is all this theory of the sector rotation, that when some sectors are good, the other one is bad. And in this case, there is no a simple way to say on September, this sector is the one that you need to trade. It's just look at what is moving and what is the strength and what is the correlation with the S&P 500. In this case, energy and real estate, at least, they seems to be good.